This is Peter. As the person responsible for hygiene at a nursing home, the residents' health is his key concern. Even before the coronavirus crisis, the flawless disinfection of laundry and dishes was his top priority. If a washing machine or dishwasher doesn't work properly, germs can spread extremely quickly. These days in particular, human lives are directly at stake. But how can Peter make sure that this spread is avoided? With the desk controller from Meducomp. The desk controller is a bioindicator with multiple chambers containing microorganisms. This enables Peter to check the disinfection performance of his devices autonomously, easily, and inexpensively. No technician nor lab have to come to Peter at the nursing home. Peter only has to wash the previously ordered desk controller and then send it back to the Meducomp lab. It's easy. If the germs are dead after washing, rinsing, the disinfection process is working perfectly. Otherwise, the device has failed the microbiological test. Whether in a restaurant, nursing home, hospital, or laundry, the desk controller measures the disinfection performance perfectly.